On iPhone, WhatsApp allows you to use hand gestures during video call to trigger fun reactions and effects that are so similar to gesture effect available in FaceTime. But if you are not seeing these effects in your WhatsApp video calls, then you first need to make sure WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. So just open App Store on your device, then search for WhatsApp app. Now click on WhatsApp Messenger and then make sure it is updated. If any update is available, then click on update option. Now once WhatsApp is updated, just click on open option and start a new video call. Now while you are on a call, just swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open Control Center. Here at the top, you will see the WhatsApp controls option. So just tap on it and look for reactions option. Now make sure it is enabled. If not, then tap on it to enable it. Once it is enabled, go to WhatsApp video call and you can use different hand gestures during video call to trigger effects. For example, you can show a thumbs up, thumbs down, or victory sign to trigger different reaction and animation on the screen. So that's it. If you have any other problem, do let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.